Alright, you guys, so I just filmed a BoxyCharm and I have my ipsy bag here. So what we're going to do, since I've already done a full look with my BoxyCharm, is we're just going to go through it. So real quickly, we're just going to go through it just so that I can get these videos up before April 1st, because they keep sending me my gosh darn bag so late. If you don't know what ipsy is, if you don't know what ipsy is, it's a monthly subscription. It runs you $10 a month. And it comes with deluxe and samples, sometimes full-size products. But you do like a beauty quiz, and then they're supposed to tailor to your needs. Now, I don't know how tailored they are, but the first thing I pull out is a lemongrass and green tea stimulating body lotion. So, we got a body lotion. The second thing I pull out is a Space Case Cosmetics little singles eyeshadow. It's in a green color. That's pretty. The third thing I pull out is I do not know yet. Looks like a full-size. It's a full-size ofra highlighter. You can never have too much highlighter, so let's just use some of this. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Yes, ofra. Yes, baby. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is one I do not have. And I am very excited. Yes. Oh, what a difference. Wow. Look at that glow. Look at that glow. So full-size ofra highlighter in my ipsy bag. That is crazy. So the third thing, or wait. 1, 2, 3. Fourth thing I'm pulling out is a Jolly Luxe Matte Cream. I'll do a swatch for you. It's a lippy. Oh, it's in a beautiful, like, mauve shade. So that third one there is the color. That's a little too pinky for me. I don't think I'll be keeping that. Yeah, I'm more like these colors or like nudes. And then a Iceland Limited Berry Lip Fix. So a chapstick. Alright, you guys. So here is what we got in our ipsy bag this month. This blows my mind. I can't believe it. And it's full size. So yeah. And then the bag is so cute. It always comes with a different bag every month. And it says, "And off she went to change the world." Isn't that cute? Alright, you guys. So that's it. And that's all for this ipsy video. I will link everything below for my ipsy codes and everything, but I did put my ipsy on hold for, I think, the next 3 months, because I've just got so much makeup, and it's $10 a month that I honestly can't afford right now, and they usually don't send me such good stuff as the ofra. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the final BoxyCharm look with the added ofra highlighter. I sure am. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!